If you see a plastic bottle stuck in your tire, call the police immediately. Pay attention, since many people have been victims of this situation that I am going to show you next. And if at any time you notice that this can happen to you or someone close to you, you can be alert. It has become very fashionable for criminals to put a plastic bottle like this right between the tires and the chassis. This is a trick they are using to be able to rob you and take your car along with your belongings. In most cases, those who do this practice have been watching you for a long time and will place the bottle at night. They will almost always place it on the passenger side or in the rear seat opposite the steering wheel of the car. In this way, when you turn it on, you will notice that the bottle will be there. So when you get in the car and start it, obviously the bottle will start making a lot of noise. And as you accelerate the car, in the same way the annoying sound will continue to increase. At this point, naturally, what any experienced driver does is wonder where the sound comes from and will rush out of the vehicle to check it. Don't do this, because just when you get out, there will be someone waiting to rob you or wait for you to remove the plastic from the tire to get into your car and take it. So now I will give you some tips you should do to prevent this from happening. Whenever you go to use your car, the first thing you will do is check the tires. You will do this not only to know if there are objects there, but also to know if they have enough air and are in optimal condition. If for some reason you didn't check the tires and you find this strange sound, don't stop. Keep going until you find a safe place or that it has been passed by many people. And if it happens that you checked and found a plastic bottle, call the police immediately and don't leave until she arrives. If this information has seemed valuable to you, make it reach someone who could help you. Always remember to stay safe and have a safe trip.